Okay, tell whether the two equations are parallel, perpendicular, or neither. Okay, you don't just guess. You're going to miss all of them if you just guess. Okay. So here's my first one. Y equals negative 5 over 4x plus 3 and y equals 4/5 x minus 8. First you're going to write parallel, then you're going to write perpendicular, then you're going to write neither. Okay, it's all about the slope, okay? There's a trick for perpendicular too, okay? Just perpendicular, you might not see it right away. Parallel, okay, so MB, MB, cross out the B's, don't care about them. It's all about the slope. Are the M's identical? No, they're not. Can't do parallel. To find whether they're perpendicular, multiply them together. Multiply them together. If they multiply to -1, they are perpendicular. So negative 5 over 4 times 4 over 5. -1, okay? That makes perpendicular. Reason why, because if you remember perpendicular, you flip it, positive, negative. Well, those always multiply to -1. That's how you figure that out. Okay. Next one, y equals 3/4 x plus 7 and y equals 3/4 x minus 3. So MB, MB. So parallel, perpendicular, neither. Well, look at your M's. They're the same. Parallel is the answer. Okay. Next one. Y equals negative 4x plus 6. Y equals negative 1/4 x plus 2. So parallel, perpendicular, neither. So MB, MB. You don't care about the B's. Don't even look at them. Well, they're not parallel because they're not the same. Now take -4 and multiply it by -1/4. It has to be -1. It has to be -1. Okay? That was +1. Perpendicular's out, so it's neither. Okay? Next one. Y equals 2x minus 7 and y equals 2x plus 5. Cross out the B's, those are totally irrelevant. Okay, well, they're the same, so parallel. Y equals 5x minus 2 and y equals negative 1/5 x plus 7. So my options are parallel, perpendicular, neither. Write those off to the side so you can use process of elimination, okay? MB, MB, get rid of your B's, you don't care about those. Or are the M's the same? No, they're not, they can't be parallel. Perpendicular, take the M's and multiply them together. 5 times negative 1/5. If that equals -1, it's perpendicular. If it equals anything else, it's not perpendicular. I got -1, so guess what? Perpendicular. Okay. Next one's going to be kind of a gimme. Y equals 7x minus 1. Y equals negative 5x plus 6. Parallel, perpendicular, MB, MB. Well, the m's aren't the same, so you forget parallel. Multiply the m's together. If it's -1, it's perpendicular. If it's not, well, that's not -1, it's -35. So perpendicular's out, so it's neither, okay? They would cross, just not at a 90-degree angle. Okay, then my last one's a little bit challenging. I don't think this is on the assignment, but y equals 3/4 x plus 7. In the other equation, we got 4x minus 3y equals 9. So parallel, perpendicular, neither. MB. You don't got your MB on that one, dude. Okay. Alright, so dot the y, make it plus negative, but it's not going to be negative for long because I go positive, negative, negative. Okay. Well, you make a 0x over there, so you have a place to add 4x. Line up your equals, you still got 3 times y. 0 plus 4 is 4, plus -9, then divide by 3. 4 divided by 3 is a decimal, we're keeping that 4/3. -9 divided by 3 is -3. Okay. MB. Okay. Now finally we know both. We don't care about the b's though. Parallel, are the m's the same? 3/4 is 4/3. No. Perpendicular, let's take 3/4 times 4/3. They have to be -1. They can't be +1 to be perpendicular. Okay, I got +1. Okay, perpendicular's out. That leaves us with neither. Okay.